As a 30-plus year veteran in the CAD-CAM software industry, BobCAD-CAM began a journey in early 2020 to investigate how we could best help our customers succeed. We started an initiative to collect information from users around the world to determine exactly what was needed. We understand the fast-paced and distracting environment that CAD-CAM users face today. Using the information collected, it was easy to see that a new method of learning was needed. We created Launchpad. Launchpad allows users to learn what is needed at their own pace at work or on the go. Launchpad is a fully interactive online training platform that delivers high-impact self-paced learning content. The Launchpad platform is extremely easy to use and navigate, as well as being friendly across modern devices. Launchpad breaks down the content into smaller sections, making learning easier to fit into a normal day. Everyone understands more today than ever that most people learn by doing and not just reading or watching a video. This is why the courses contain interactive content with direct and immediate feedback. Passing a course earns you a certificate that validates the knowledge and skills you have learned. BobCAD-CAM is not simply a software company, but your partner in success. Let's get started with your journey today.